The hole in the ozone layer. Ozone is part of the atmosphere that helps protect the Earth's environment. It's a form of oxygen gas that is extremely useful because it blocks the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. It also lets in warmth and light. About 90% of all ozone exists as a thin layer in the upper atmosphere. It's about 15 miles above the Earth. If this layer becomes thinner, ultraviolet rays would no longer be blocked from reaching the surface of the Earth. This would lead to more people with skin cancer and eye problems. Basically, all living things on Earth would be affected, including animals, forests, and oceans. To the shock of scientists in 1986, a hole was discovered in the ozone layer. People soon started to worry about the future of the planet. Scientists researched the problem and found what caused the hole. The ozone layer was being damaged by chemicals. One of those chemicals was called CFCs. It was commonly used in refrigerators and air conditioners. The other kinds of chemicals were used to fight fires or to kill bad insects. Although these chemicals were useful in many ways, they destroyed the ozone layer very quickly. The chemicals destroyed ozone faster than nature could replace it. So, in 1987, in Montreal, many countries agreed to cut their use of those chemicals in half. However, it didn't seem to help. The damage continued to spread. When scientists first discovered the ozone hole, it was over the South Pole. By the early 1990s, the ozone layer had started to become thinner over more populated places like parts of North America, Asia, and Australia. The countries that signed the original agreement met again to finally solve the problem. This time, they agreed to completely stop making the chemicals by 1996. Because of these efforts, much of the hole in the ozone layer has been repaired. It is estimated that it will be closed for good by 2050.